How to screen sharing in macOS. From the computer you want to share a screen with, open System Preferences. Enter on Sharing Preferences. Select Screen Sharing Service. Give a computer name. Define the screen sharing computer settings. Allow which users has access to the file sharing service. Now close System Preferences and open the screen sharing application. Type the name of the computer you want to connect to. Connect to any Mac computer from the screen sharing menu. To screen sharing from Network folder, press Command-Shift-K. Select the shared computer and click to share your screen with. Screen sharing by connecting to a server. Press Command-K. Type VNC and the name of the computer with a screen to share. Thanks for watching, and I see you in next videos. Cheers.